Oh, no. He's trying to rape me. No need.
Right, Chuck.
All right, let's go. I'm not gay. Why is it so quiet?
I'm just gonna talk shit to him. I don't even know him like that.
Hey, it is what it is. Just keep it moving. Why didn't you let the replay go? Well, fine then. You won't be a Bama then. You think this is a good match?
What the fuck? Hell, what are you doing, Jeff?
You think this is a good match? Yeah? You don't know? Okay.
You're making me lose.
Oh, okay.
It's a very good match. Very good.
You just got Frosted Flake, boy.
Uh-oh. But I can't get up that golden person.
With the T-tops, nigga! With the T-tops! Don't try to get serious now.
Oh, it's time to get serious.
Time to get serious.
I'm about to get so serious. Someone's gonna get sexed. What the fuck is that?
Oh no! Oh no!
Dragon Ball Z.
Oh! Oh! Hey, you got next, don't you? No, don't lie. Well, with the camera cut off, you're gonna be playing that.
But see, what I'm gonna do is put up my focus and leave for the longest time, then come back to that guy.
Well, that's New York for you.
Damn.
That'll do it. Yeah, he's nice. Look at him. He's nice. Go ahead, show your face. Show your game face. Show your game face. Yeah.